Cable assembly and wire harness experts. Precision manufacturing since 2003. Specialized in professional cable and harness production. Custom solutions for automotive wiring harnesses. Medical cable assemblies. Aerospace wire harness systems. Industrial equipment cabling. Consumer electronics wiring. Our cable assembly advantages. Certified manufacturing process. ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485 certified. High efficiency production. 50% faster lead times. Advanced wire processing, laser wire marking. Automated crimping machines. Robotic assembly lines. All certified materials. Your trusted cable assembly partner.